Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 2500 watt dual fuel inverter with CO shield. This unit runs on propane or gasoline straight out of the box, and weighing less than 40 pounds, this is one of the lightest inverters in its class, perfect for taking on small trips, camping, or using recreationally. Champion's Smart Economy mode can provide quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy when running under a reduced electrical load. And for added peace of mind, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. This inverter comes standard with two 120 volt household outlets, a 12 volt DC outlet, and a dual port USB adapter for easy charging on the road. Or connect two units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide double the power directly to your RV. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Or connect your propane supply. Start the inverter. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 2500 watt dual fuel inverter with CO Shield. Your best solution for quiet and dependable